Still not sure how emails can help you get new clients, amplify your email campaigns, and bring in more leads with cold emailing? Cold emailing can be a really productive way to gather new and warm B2B leads. On average, $38 for every $1 spent. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some of my top tips for cold emailing that will actually get you new customers. First and foremost, know your audience. Developing a rock-solid buyer persona should be the first step you take in the world of cold email marketing. Why? Because even if you attempt to purchase a list without knowing your target audience, you might end up with one in totally random industry and waste your time, efforts and money. Ask yourself questions about your ideal customer, determine who they are, and then target them as best as you can. Second is create value for your customer. Remember, cold emails should never be about you or your sale. They are always going to be about the customer and how your product or service could benefit them. In this vein, personalization becomes key. Using the information from your data provider, use your contact's name, their company name, or maybe call out an industry pain point that you can help with. Provide social proof and don't forget to link to the content relevant and valuable to them. Also, include call to action and internal links to guide them around until they are ready to make a decision. Third, don't be deceptive. This should be no-brainer, but you would be surprised. Devious marketing tactics will only take you so far. Yes, you might be able to trick someone into opening your message by including RE in the subject line of your first email. But once they realize what you have done, they are likely to delete your message and mark it as a spam. Instead, encourage people to open your message by creating inciting subject lines and content that's going to be useful for them. Explain who you are and why you are emailing, and make sure your unsubscribe button is never too far out of the site. Fourth, develop a cadence. This will come with time and testing because everyone interacts with their email differently. Test your email at different times and see what yields the best results. Stick with that and then continue to test. Your campaign could always be doing better, right? Fifth and the last, always use the right tool for the job. You won't be able to send a cold list of contacts using platforms like MailChimp and Constant Contact. You will need to employ the use of specialized bulk email sender. Clickback Mail was designed from the ground up to carry out cold emails and does so with its own IP. Also, don't forget to use follow-up messages wherever appropriate. And keep monitoring the results of your email campaign so you can see what's working and what's not. So this is the end of the video. Consistency is the key here. I highly suggest that you change your goal from generating more leads to generating a consistent flow of highly targeted and qualified leads. Trust me, it will make a difference. I'll see you in another video. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.